What's up, y'all? So, excuse the cold. Um, just thought I'd show y'all a little project that I had going. I started around November, December. It's been a while. I used to work for this company in San Francisco. They had a bunch of miscellaneous computer parts, and so I grabbed two 20-inch screens and a projector. But I thought, since I wasn't using one of the monitors, that I could mount it in the wagon, and so I was close to being done with this about a couple weeks ago, but the cat knocked it down, cracked it right here, so I got to redo this. Cracked over here. You can see the foam right here. But what I did was I used foam, which I probably should have used a fleece, something like this, wrap the whole thing. But what would have been a problem was creating the frame for the screen. So what I did was, like I said, I used foam. This stuff right here. Trimmed it up, filled it, sanded it. But again, I didn't know if I wanted to use this material, which I use for my speaker box, or the leather look, which I use for most of my interior parts. Again, I'm doing this myself, so it ain't got to be perfect. This gives a lot. You can literally stretch this. And this is a little piece I had laying around. You can literally stretch this to fit, you know. And this gets pretty damn well. But or like I said, or that material over here. And I just use a adhesive and let it tack up and redo it, trim it. But I didn't know if I wanted to basically create like a cardboard template to go over the screen, just around the frame, so that you wouldn't see the buttons or the black frame of the screen. But or what I could do is I can cut off enough of this so that I can bring it out around the frame and tuck it in the screen frame. I don't know. But again, it's a little project, you know. Like I said, it ain't got to be perfect. The car going to be used for my kids to play Xbox and all that other stuff when we go on road trips. So it ain't going to be perfect. It's going to get dirty. So why not do something myself that's going to get messed up anyway? And then I can always pull the material out and put it back in a different color. Had I decided to change the car, paint the car, whatever. Again, this takes no time. And it's cheap. I got this material. I think it's like $19 a yard, 50% off. So I got like a few yards for like, let's just $50, I think. This was $8 and some change a yard. And then at 50% off, I bought so much of this. I got like probably maybe damn near 10 to 15 yards of this just laying around. But yeah, I like how it's coming out. Again, I know it's not gonna be perfect. You know, you got little spots here. You can see the foam here. But once it's wrapped, you won't even care. You won't even care. I think it looked good. So today I'm gonna cut the holes. Cut the holes over there and see if it fits. I've been doing some some trimming because on this side it was hitting the frame, and then on that side at the bottom it was hitting the screen frame as well. So I also sanded here. It's kind of uneven. See how it go in a little bit, but probably got to sand it down a little bit more. But overall, it looked good. I can't complain, especially when I'm doing it. Don't keep buying these for $7 when you can buy the big ass one for like $15. That's probably where I lost a lot of money. I think I bought like 3 of these, and I realized I could have bought a big ass one for $15 and would still have some. So now I got this one, which I ain't doing shit with. I probably will, because I'll make something else. But I'm having fun. That damn cat. All right, well, just thought I'd show y'all what I was doing.